Collins was a male calf born into the dairy industry. He was very sick, so he was very thin, and we were afraid he was not going to live. We gave him a bunch of medications, and then he tried to spend a lot of time with the cows that were a year older than him. So Collins is tiny but mighty. He went from being very nervous and very scared and timid to starting to grow up and learn how to do things. And I do think that he finds more confidence in our volunteers than he does with our bigger cows. We will bring him snacks and food and treats. But then once this goat named Amber came through,
Here we go!
they migrated towards each other for support and for safety. Amber was a couple years old and Collins was a baby. So I think he identifies with her. And we always see them grazing together or walking the trails together. Their relationship is so heartwarming. I've seen Collins cleaning Amber, so he'll lick her, and we don't think he's going to be full size. So everybody worries about him, which I think makes the bond between cow and human even stronger.
You got the zoomies? Oh, yes, you do have the zoomies. Good boy.
We always try to make sure he's included in everything. Even if he stay behind, we'll go get him and we'll bring him to everyone else. So it's important that we're able to handle him, and I love that he lets us do everything that we need to do. Every animal that has come into the sanctuary changes my life. And then there are those that are just a little extra special. And Collins is definitely one of them. So we use our human hands to give them their life back. And we do everything we can to make sure that it's a good one.